So, I would like to make a public service announcement. A lot of people don't know how to use their blinkers in a roundabout. So, we're going to go ahead and show you how to use your blinker in a roundabout because it'll be very helpful in helping to speed up the flow of traffic. So, using your blinker on public roads allows other drivers to know where you want to go. So do you want to go right? Do you want to change lanes? Do you want to turn left? Etc. And it's the same for roundabouts, but it's a little bit different and it's a bit more of a process. But once you get the hang of it, you actually can speed up the flow of traffic. So up here, I'm going to show you guys how to go straight. Then I'm going to show you guys how to go right and then how to go left. So alright, so we're coming up to a roundabout, and on this one I'm going to show you guys how to use your blinkers going straight. So when you come up to a roundabout going straight, you're going to turn on your left blinker, just like that car in front of us. And this left blinker indicates that you want to enter the roundabout. Okay? Okay, so we're going to watch for cars, we're going to yield to oncoming traffic, and then we're going to go ahead and enter. And once you get halfway through, you're going to turn on your right blinker, and that's going to indicate that you want to exit the roundabout. So, yeah, the left blinker indicates that you want to enter the roundabout. Right blinker indicates that you're going to exit the roundabout. Okay, so coming up to this roundabout, we're going to use our right blinker the entire time. We're going to find ourselves in the right-hand lane. We're going to watch for oncoming traffic and yield to them. Once we know we're safe to go, we're going to go ahead and run through. Pretty simple. Alright, we're coming up to our last roundabout, and just like we did for going straight, we're going to use our left blinker to indicate that we are going to enter the roundabout. See, make sure there's nobody coming and we can go. And you're going to keep your left blinker on up until you get 2/3 of the way. Turn your right blinker on, indicates that you're exiting the roundabout. And it's that simple. So, whenever you come to a roundabout, all you need to remember is that when you're entering, you turn on your left blinker. And then when you're about to exit, you turn on your right blinker. Unless you're turning right, which is when you only use your right blinker. Okay, thank you guys for listening in. I hope this public service announcement was helpful, and I'll see you guys, I'll see you around.